Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a GitHub account. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for GitHub. From the search results, click on the first link to access the official GitHub website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see two sign-up options. Click on either one to start creating your account. Now, enter the required details, including your email address, password, and username. Once you've filled in all the fields, click on Continue. Next, you'll need to complete a simple puzzle verification to confirm you're a human. After that, GitHub will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the message from GitHub, and copy the code. Then, go back to the sign-up page and paste the code into the required field to proceed. Once verified, you can sign in using your newly created credentials and your GitHub account will be ready to use. So that's basically how you can create a GitHub account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.